Look at TR4 TR5 TR6 metal roofing sheet trapezoid profile roll forming machine. One of the most in-demand roofing production machines in South America. Specially built for the Peru market. Designed to produce trapezoidal metal sheets in TR4, TR5, and TR6 profiles. This machine handles coil widths of 1200 to 1250 millimeters and a thickness range of 0.3 to 0.8 millimeter. Ideal for both residential and commercial roofing. The output sheets are widely used in warehouses, supermarkets, and factory rooftops across Peru. What sets this equipment apart is its robust design and reliable performance. It features precision feeding rollers that protect coil surfaces, a double chain drive for stable transmission, a reinforced base frame for smooth, vibration-free operation, a Siemens main motor for consistent power output, double pillar shearing system that delivers clean, accurate cuts with long-term durability, and a user-friendly PLC touchscreen for easy operation and process control. Each roller is chrome-coated and keynoted to resist wear, ensuring long machine life with minimal maintenance. Whether your priority is high-speed production or flexible configuration, this machine can be fully customized to meet your specific needs. It's no surprise that this model has become one of the top-selling machines in Peru and neighboring countries. Many Peruvian clients have shared successful case studies. If you're looking to scale your roofing business in Peru or South America, the TR4 TR5 TR6 roll forming machine offers the perfect combination of performance, precision, and production efficiency. Subscribe for more industrial tech insights. And don't forget to contact us for a custom quote.